at the open mic, Dick York and the Bitchy Witches.
Dick, are you ready? Si, senor. Bitchy Witches, are you ready? Here we go.
But I figured I would just ask. Oh, sorry guys.
You can go.
All I can say is that my life is pretty plain. You like my point of view. It's not sane. It's not sane.
All right, Bitchy Witch, are you ready? All right. Are you ready?
Mama standing with just down there, and run out through the back door. screen door slam. It's hard to find the words to say, don't give a damn. I heard that you never saw your mama cry. Maybe she was sneaking around with another man on the side. I heard that your mama was crazy too. She loved you. All the words have been spoken. All bridges have been burned and the promises broken. It ain't hard just to have a little baby, and I won't have far to go when I go crazy. Hey! All the words have been spoken. All the bridges have been burned and the promises broken. It ain't hard just to have a little baby, and I won't have far to go when I go crazy. I look into your eyes and I think I see a picture of me smiling with a baby on my knee. There in that old photograph that you never changed, like the last time that I saw you when we were on the street. All the words have been spoken.